Look, I'm not doing anything right now, and ChatGPT Work is automatically sorting all my invoices into folders right on my laptop. And yes, OpenAI is back in the AI race with ChatGPT Work, which is their response to Claude Cowork. And in this video, I'm going to show you all of the features that you can really use for finance. And I can tell you, this is quite impressive. ChatGPT Work offers this mode not only in the desktop app, but also on mobile and in the browser itself. However, in the browser, it can only perform tasks inside a cloud environment, and it works only with uploaded files or if you connect to services. Meanwhile, the desktop version of ChatGPT Work can work directly with your local files and folders on your computer, so it's best if you have files that sit there on your laptop. That's why, to fully unlock the potential of ChatGPT Work and, for example, sort invoices, we will be using the desktop version, which you can download directly from the chat in the browser, and really the installation process is very simple. Now back to what I showed you in the beginning. Imagine that you have a folder with tens or hundreds of invoices from different companies and with different file names. And what you need to do is to sort them into folders by month and currency. Now, to avoid that hustle, we are going to create a new project linked to the required folder, and then we are going to enter a prompt where we ask in plain English the following. I want to organize PDF invoices in the folder, first per month, and then each folder need to be arranged by currency, USD and Euro. So you can see how ChatGPT Work is working. We can see everything moving, all of the invoices, the new folders created, and done. I would have needed hours while ChatGPT Work did that in minutes, but let's check if there are no mistakes. So let's, for example, open February. I can see that the invoice is in Euro, perfectly arranged. Now let's see another one, same, so for April, USD, yeah. So you can see that ChatGPT Work arranged the invoices in the right folders, and the way it did it was by opening each folder and read them and then classify them. So again, imagine how much time you will have needed to open each invoices and classify them in the right folder. This is crazy how much time you are saving with this. By the way, don't forget to follow for AI finance tutorials. And now that all of our invoices are sorted, let's work with them. We're going to reconcile them with our bank statement. Let me show you how. So here you can see my company's bank statement with tens of rows, and we are going to use this for our reconciliation. By the way, when preparing the files for this video, I intentionally left mistakes inside the bank statement file to check whether ChatGPT notices them, so we are going to see if it's good at this. So either you have the file in your work folder, or you can also add it directly to the chat. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT Work to perform the reconciliation for us. And again, in plain English language, we say, please perform the reconciliation between the invoices in the folder and the bank statement attached. And you can see ChatGPT just created a to-do list, so you can track the status of the task. First, it's going to inspect the bank statement structure, then match payments to invoices and classify exceptions, and after that, it builds and formats the reconciliation workbook. And finally, it's going to do the most important process. It will verify the totals, the formulas, and also the layout. So while ChatGPT Work is doing the reconciliation, I want you to think about all of the reconciliation you have done in your life. I want you to think about all of the working files you have seen from your colleagues, or maybe the ones you have created. In my career, and I've seen a lot of reconciliation files, I've never seen a working file which I could really understand, where I could use straight away, was always really hard to work with. So let's see if AI can be better than a human on this. But before we open the Excel file, as I said earlier, I left a couple of mistakes inside the file on purpose. And as you can see, ChatGPT managed to find and flag them. The discrepancies, the late payments, the issues on timing, maybe issues also on currencies. So now, the most exciting part. Let's open the file and check inside. This is super clear. Never a human gave me that in my life. Myself as well, was never that clear. And you can see in the summary a real overview of what is happening, the main problems. You can see the main variance. So first, this looks quite impressive. Now let's look into the details, because we know that the devil is in the details. Let's look into the reconciliation, and now we can see line by line that we see where are the problems, we see the reconciliation status, we see all of the items flagged, and then there is even a file showing the exceptions, so I can work on this directly. Most of the companies should actually inspire themselves from this working file. And after, I have the invoices recap, the bank transaction as well, and I even have a sources quiz and check tabs, and this is where I see if everything which was provided was used the right way. Do I have all of the invoices? So here we can see that it used all of the invoices. It used as well all of the bank statement. I can reconcile the total to make sure that there is no mistake between the information I provided and the bank statement. So this is really helpful and will save you a lot of time auditing the work that was done. Remember, in Excel, if you wanted to do that manually, this will have taken you a huge amount of time. But ChatGPT work just did that in a couple of minutes. And now the best, since this is a recurring task, I can train ChatGPT work to understand what I want with just one single word. So like this, I don't have to type this prompt over and over again. And this can be done with ChatGPT skills. So in the same chat, we just turn the reconciliation into a skill that I can reuse, and we are going to name it reconciliation. As you can see, now ChatGPT work is creating the skill, and if you want to find this skill and to see what the other skills you have, this is how you are going to find them. So just go to plugins, then skills, and there you can see all of your saved skills. Let's go to the next use case. This one is going to be really impressive. Imagine every month you have to consolidate the figures from different companies. Every month is the same. You have to go in Excel, you have to get the data, you have to update the formulas, you have to input the data, you have to verify everything. It's really time consuming. But what if ChatGPT Cowork could do it? Let's test this. Here is our consolidation file for the year 2025, where you can see that we consolidate the P&L of many different countries. We have formulas, we have also eliminations, because of course in a consolidation you have countries selling to each other, so you need to eliminate that. Again, you only have 2025, so now you have to do it for 2026. What we want to do is to create the same file, but now with your 2026 data. So you can see that I have already received from every country their data. For example, France gave me their figures, USA as well. I'm ready to start working. So now what I want is to have the new consolidation file using the 2025 as template, but as the input, I want to use the 2026 figures. So instead of doing it manually, I will create a project folder called Company Consolidation, where I will put the 2025 file inside. And like this, I'm sure that ChatGPT work only focuses on data in this folder. And then I'm going to type the following prompt. Please recreate the company consolidation file for 2026 based on the 2026 input from all countries plus the eliminations. Now let's wait for ChatGPT to do the work. And while we wait for ChatGPT to finish, I invite you to my free weekly masterclass on Tuesday. It's where you are going to learn the best AI finance use cases. It's free, it's for you if you work in finance. And to join, just click the link in the description below. We can see the process of ChatGPT work on the screen. That's it. ChatGPT is finished. Now let's open the file. And so my first question is, did it keep the formulas? Let's check. Yes, it did. It also updated the year 2026. I also see the eliminations, and we have a tab for each country. And so I will make a quick verification to see if there are no mistakes. Let's check USA, 467,000. Now the original file, same amount. I could do everything here manually, but what I suggest you, and I showed that in my previous videos, we are not going to check everything manually. Here, what you can do is ask AI to do the audit for you. So like this, you delegate the work and you review if in the audit there is any mistake. Our work is done. This means that in a few minutes, ChatGPT work was able to build a new Excel file, to update all of the dates, and to bring all of the source files from the different countries. And it kept the same structure of 2025, but used the 2026 inputs. Now our file is ready to analyze. Imagine how much time you will save next time you use this. It's quite impressive what ChatGPT work can do, right? It's a real workflow, and you can reuse that next time, especially if you create a skill for this. But what if you have to present this file to the board? You cannot show up with this and just open the Excel file. You need a PowerPoint presentation. So this is our next use case. Before, to create presentations, you had to spend hours on this, or maybe your team was doing it. But now that I have ChatGPT work, here's what I'm going to do. So I have my PowerPoint file with my presentation guidelines, and I will use this to create my presentation. So in the same discussion, I will upload the PowerPoint file and ask ChatGPT to do the following. Prepare a financial review presentation comparing 2026 with 2025, first at company level, and then one slide per country. Also, I explained that I want the details per country to do the analysis on the company level. By the way, again, I recommend you to create a skill that will automatically do this next time you have to perform this presentation. So we can see ChatGPT is working. You can see all of the steps, and imagine how many hours you needed to build that. And until now, AI was not able to do presentations that were usable for finance. It was only text, was not pretty, it could not do graphs. That's it. Our presentation is ready. Let's open the file to see the results. Wow. Like first, I can see it's my branding guidelines. The second page has the executive summary, which in all of my career, that was the most important slide because from the beginning, you needed to make sure that the management got the information at the beginning of the meeting. If not, you were losing time and you were not focusing on the most important part of your presentation. Then we have the overview on the group, and then we have the explanation country by country, plus a card for each country. And I love how it made the card. Like, it's really clear. You have a graph, you have the key figures, you have also what changed, and you have this for each country. I might actually use this for myself because I really like what AI here did. You can see that this is a huge time saver, and I really don't know many people who can make a presentation that pretty. If you want to learn even more from me live, I have a free masterclass every Tuesday. And to join, just click the link in the description below. I really want you to come because this is where I can help you the most. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, robots are coming, so stay human.